So after doing a little bit of yard work, this is what you need. Hello and welcome back to another episode of A Non-Bartender Presents a Drink a Week. So today I'm actually presenting a drink called the Pegu Club of the same name. The drink first appears in the 1930s, supposedly with the Savoy cocktail book, that edition in the 1930s, or there's a little bit of confusion that it may have appeared as early as 1927 in Barflies and Cocktails. Who knows? Doesn't really matter, because today we still have the ingredients for the cocktail, and I'm about to show you how to make it. That's a very good drink on a hot day. So, first thing you do is take your shaker. While you got your shaker, add a little ice. Put everything down. 2 ounces of gin. Whatever gin you happen to have, your favorite gin. I'm not a fan of Tanqueray, but you know, hey, if you are, the best drink to drink is the one you enjoy, right? Have fun with that. Anyway, okay, 2 ounces of gin, and the original recipe calls for orange caracal. However, you don't use that a lot, and the purpose of this is to teach you how to make drinks at home with what you have. So most likely, you might have a little Cointreau. So Cointreau, take ½ ounce of Cointreau. It does have a little bit of an orange flavor. Add that to your shaker. And you're going to cut up a lime. And if you remember, half a lime almost always equals 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Add that to your drink. You've already got the ice and orange bitters. You want 2 dashes. Added third, I like it a little bit on the tart side. Shake for approximately 10 seconds. The outside of your shaker will get frosted. It's telling you that you got the proper amount. If you don't have a shaker, your typical sports tumbler or any glass you have with a tight lid will work. Once you're done shaking, strain off because you don't want any of the ice shavings in your drink. And since this is a reasonably smaller drink, not on ice, typically one to pour into a coup, and always add the lime on the outside, garnish with the lime, and I present to you Pegu Club. Very good